Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use sum product formula in Microsoft Excel. You can see I have a bill invoice over here with the items in second column, and this is the rate of each item over here, and in this particular column we have the quantity of each item. Now normally what you do, you just multiply rate with quantity to get the amount, like is equal rate multiply with quantity, enter, and now you just need to hold the handle and drag it down, and there you go. And at the end you just add the sum formula, enter, and there it is. Now over here you have to go through multiple steps to calculate this amount, while the sum product formula do all these things without unnecessary calculations involved in it. Let me show you. Let's calculate the total amount of this bill is equal sum product, and you can see the argument says array 1. This is going to be our array 1, comma, array 2. This is going to be our array 2, bracket close, and enter. And there you go. You have done it in no time. I hope you have found this short tutorial useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.